Kiko smells a tasty meal, hurries in and takes his seat. Mama brings a colorful plate, so many lovely things to eat. Chicken pieces, boiled egg, broccoli and carrots too. Little peas and fluffy rice, green and orange, bright and new. Take a bite and chew, chew, chew. Try a little something new. Protein, veggies on the plate. Healthy food can taste so great. Broccoli looks like a tree. Kiko takes a crunchy bite. Chicken, egg, and carrot next. Everything is just right. One small pea begins to roll round the rice and past the fork. Kiko tries and tries again, then he catches it at last. Almost finished, drink some water. Wipe your mouth and show the plate. Mama smiles and Kiko hugs her. What a lovely meal they ate.